If you have a retractor in need of preventative maintenance service or repair, contact Rultract and request the Simplicity Service Exchange Program. After receiving the purchase order from the hospital, we will ship you a completely serviced Rultract ratchet rake assembly. This equipment comes with an 18-month limited warranty. The advantages to this program are that it expedites the service process, reduces paperwork on both ends, eliminates the need for a loaner, and, most importantly, it reduces downtime for your team. When this equipment arrives at your facility, cut the zip ties and push the tabs to open the case. Inside the case will be the device, as well as a decontamination form, a FedEx return label, and zip ties. Remove the new serviced Rultract from the foam insert. Simply place your equipment into the same foam insert. Sign the included decontamination form and place it in the case as well. Securely close the tabs and resecure with the included zip ties. Make sure that they're zip tied correctly. Remove the FedEx label that was used to ship the equipment to you. Insert the return label that will be used to ship the equipment back to Rultract. Be sure that the envelope is sealed and securely attached to the case. The equipment is ready to ship back to Rultract. If you have any questions, please call or email. Thanks for watching.